What? Hey guys, welcome to Vilo. Okay, that before.
He's masturbating.
He masturbated. Oh my god. Okay, okay. Wow. Okay. You see jelly, so it's still cool. I beat the game.
Sure you are. Sure you are. You're
Cop.
at the game.
Cop.
Are you sure you're best at the game?
Because a little bit sick, okay? No.
Ya te atoraste. Ya te atoraste.
I'm back to this.
Stupid, you wasted all your keys.
Hello. Ooh, cake. Cake, buddy.
Te mataste, Lilio. I know English, first of all. I just don't speak. I always speak. Nigga, see, you wasted all your fucking keys for me.
Quiet.
You can't make me, you motherfucker. Oh, hell no. ¿Tienes huevos?
Hey!
Sí, tienes una.
Quiet.
Tienes 0 huevos.
Look, it's weird.
I'm just telling your real fans that this nigga don't have no balls. This nigga has a pussy because he's gay. And he's a transgender.
I'm a people.
Just girls are people. What the fuck? I'm a person.
You look like an alien.
You look like a Homo sapien.
You look a hole. That you look like.
And you look like a monkey.
You look like Godzilla.
You know it's good being a monkey.
Ow!
Because you are a monkey, dumbass.
But that,
You stupid. I wasted all your fucking shit for being stupid.
ugly cop. Like my
You're dead. You're really dead. You missed the shit. That's what really. And back in my country, we don't do that shit. We don't play with. Back in my country, we don't play with technology. We just do this.
Not bad people.
And what are you?
Oh.
I know you're a problem. Fuck, I did.
Yes.
Wait, it's good. I know you're a power mind. But that's. I know you're a whole but. What you call me? Nigga, you shut your little bubble ass gummy because at least I have a big ass dick much better than yours.
You all like oh.
What are you? A putosario. You're a putosario because you ain't listen to what the fuck are you doing? You're like, what the fuck?
Yeah.
That's what you trying to do.
Yeah.
I mean, what the fuck is this?
Oh,
Hey, what the fuck is this? What the fuck are you doing?
look.
You know, you can just do this, look it. Not just this. Stupid.
But survive that.
Yup. You don't have no more skateboards, so you wasted all this shit. I tried to fucking give you a skateboard, even though you.
Stop! Not doing it!
Okay, nigga, I ain't a hole. That's the wrong way. You have no keys, you have no balls. ¿Qué es eso?
Yay!
Comes caca. Como estos.
Stop him! Oh my god! Don't get collected mellow, guys. Stop it! That's your cute.
Venga, at least I can smell it.
Excuse me. Stop dick right now. How to do sex with Bruno? Why happy Bruno?
Because you're my brother. Nigga, look at the screen instead of fucking smiling at me. Hi, I'm more looking.
What? Stop!
You have two more.
I kill you.
Nice to me, you have two more even though.
Stop! I stab you too.
I don't motherfucking care. Mama! Stupid, you're already dead. You're already dead. You're already dead. No,